In a world where innovation never slows down, 3D printers are changing the way we design, build, and create. From engineers producing highly detailed prototypes to hobbyists crafting custom gadgets at home, 3D printing has completely transformed industries and turned bold ideas into reality. Whether you're a professional who needs precision or a beginner just stepping into the world of 3D printing, choosing the right printer makes all the difference. To help you get started, we've rounded up the top 5 best 3D printers, breaking down their key features and the most important things to consider before buying. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. I'll be honest, when I first heard Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, I thought, cool name, probably just another fast 3D printer. I even assumed the carbon part was just marketing hype. Yeah, that thought didn't survive very long. The X1 Carbon isn't just fast, it's smart. Built on a CoreXY system, it delivers insanely high speeds, up to 500 mm/s with 20,000 mm/s acceleration, while still producing clean, precise prints that don't look rushed. It feels less like operating a printer and more like watching a machine that already knows what it's doing. Then there's the intelligent stuff. The LiDAR-based first-layer inspection scans and corrects your print automatically, and the AI camera catches spaghetti failures before they ruin hours of work, which is honestly a lifesaver if you've ever walked back to a filament disaster. This printer is also built for serious materials. With a hardened steel nozzle, hardened gears, and a fully enclosed chamber, the X1 Carbon handles PLA, PE, TGG, a BSASA nylon, and carbon fiber filaments with ease. Add the optional AMS and you get smooth multicolor and multi-material printing without the usual hassle. Put it all together, and the touchscreen controls, auto bed leveling, vibration compensation, and network connectivity make the X1 Carbon feel polished, powerful, and surprisingly easy to live with. So if your video is about a machine that feels more like a high-speed production partner than a hobby printer, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is the one that quietly redefines what next level really means. Number 4. Bambu Lab P2S. Why? Speedy, reliable, ready to go, and now it's upgraded. P2S is here. Brand new 5-inch touchscreen, so easy even your grandma can use it, of course. Just touch more power means more speed, smooth printing every time, great results. Every time easy nozzle swaps ready for another print. Spaghetti? Blobbing? Relax, it's got your back, everything's under control. Go have a cup of tea or soak up the applause mix and change the style. PLAA BSTPU perfection every time. Oh, and remember, give them a quick dry, make it hot, and say goodbye to warping, make it cool, improved, overhang, and say print, 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 pick up the prints. Make your ideas a reality, the most popular, for a reason. This time no substitutes, the classic reborn P2 suck. Number 5. Creality K1 SE3D. I've tried more 3D printers than I can count, and after the first hour with the K1 SA 2024, I legit looked at my old machine like, did you even want to print things? The moment I hit start, the dual-core 1.2J CPU kicked in and everything just moved, no lag, no hesitation. This thing is processing like it already knows what you want. The built-in AI LiDAR first-layer scanner hands the calibration to the machine and says, I got this, so your first layer goes down flawless while you grab coffee. Dual heat-free auto-leveling means bed adjustments are gone, one tap, you're good to go. With the heater blasting to 200 C in 40 seconds, you're not waiting, you're printing. And when I say speed, I mean it, up to 600 mm/s, and the build volume keeps up, so your prints don't feel like baby steps anymore. The CoreXY architecture, paired with a whip fast vacuum of acceleration, 20,000 mm/s, makes motion feel smooth, crisp, and surprisingly quiet. Throw in the creativity, cloud app, Wi-Fi control, remote monitoring and upload from your phone. Yep, you're printing while you're making dinner. And when you see it print detail after detail, it hits, this is how modern 3D printing should feel. The K1SA isn't just an upgrade, it's the jump from meh to wow. If you're serious about creating fast, clean, and smart, this is the machine telling you it's ready. Number 2, Anycubic Cobra 3. You know that feeling when you try something new and instantly think, wait, why doesn't everyone have this already? That was me with the Anycubic Cobra S1 combo. I've used a ton of 3D printers before, but this one? It's like the perfect blend of speed, intelligence, and pure fun. From the second I powered it on, the 32-bit high-speed processor kicked in like a race car engine, smooth, stable, and ready to go. The Lavique 2. Zero auto-leveling system completely took the stress out of setup. It just scans, adjusts, and boom, perfect first layer every single time. Then there's the direct drive extruder. It's crazy precise, giving cleaner lines, tighter detail, and zero stringing even on tricky prints. When it hit 600 ms/s speed with 20,000 ms/s acceleration, I literally laughed. It's that fast. The vibration and flow compensation keeps everything steady, so no matter how wild your design is, every layer lands exactly where it should. And taking off prints? The magnetic PEI build plate makes it so satisfying, just pop and done. But here's where it gets cool. The Color Engine add-on lets you do multicolor printing. So your designs don't just print, they pop. Add in Wi-Fi control through the Anycubic app, and suddenly you're monitoring prints from your phone like a pro, no babysitting, no stress. It's compact, quiet, and honestly looks as good as it performs. The Cobra S1 combo isn't just another 3D printer, it's a full-on creative assistant that's fast, smart, and actually fun to use. Once you see it in action, you'll get it. This isn't a printer. It's the future of desktop making. And the best part? It makes even beginners look like pros, seriously. Your first print will feel like something out of a design studio. After using this, every other printer just feels outdated. Number 1, Prusa Core 1. Changed everything. I've used dozens of 3D printers by now, but this one stood out the moment I hit print. Its fully enclosed CoreXY design paired with an extruder and 360 cooling delivers overhangs up to 75 without a flinch, meaning fewer supports, less cleanup, and more time to actually create. The active chamber temperature control up to 55°C keeps prints flat, warp-free, and flawless whether you're using PLA, PET, ETG, SA, or even polycarbonate. The 250, 200, 2270 ml build volume, direct drive gear system, magnetic PEI spring steel bed, and auto first layer calibration make every print feel effortless. It's like the printer's doing the thinking for you. With Ethernet and optional Wi-Fi/NFC connectivity, it links seamlessly to Prusa Slicker, Printables, and Prusa Connect, creating a whole creative ecosystem that just flows. Whether you're a maker, designer, or full-blown engineer, the Core One turns ideas into something real before you've even finished your coffee. Once you've printed with it, every other printer feels like it's running on dial-up. The Prusa Core One doesn't just print, it inspires.